Alright, so the recipe for the noodles, it's 1 pack of noodles, and that's just store-bought noodles. I get them at Kroger and they are really good. The second thing that we need for our ingredients is the stir-fry sauce. And normally I get the sweet and sour stir-fry sauce, but they ran out of it and I ran out of it, so I'm wondering what they're gonna taste like. And so that's the teriyaki. I use a 1/2 cup. Guys, I really don't measure. I'm just like guessing at how much I used. Does anybody else measure? Comment down below if you do, or if you don't. The next thing you'll need is to julienne 1/2 cup of zucchini and a 1/2 cup of carrots and some olive oil. Now those are the ingredients. After that, just you put everything in a pot. You put the olive oil and you saute the zucchini and the carrots until they're translucent or cooked, with a little bit of salt. And then once that's done, you add your teriyaki sauce, your stir-fry sauce. The noodles. When you're cooking the noodles, they break down on their own, so if you're seeing that you're ripping them, just gently move them around so that they don't break on you. But that's how I do it. I don't know what other way to do it. So if you guys don't know, I'm self-taught. I just look at videos and I don't redo them. I just try to remember how they did it, and I try to do it on my own, and that's what I come up with. And my husband likes it so far, so I'm gonna go with it. So just move around the noodles. I use chopsticks. I don't know if any of you have some, but I got them at a Korean or an Asian market that is right next to my job, and it was only $1.99 for a pack of like 12. So I thought that was a good deal. That's it for the noodles. And to get to the salad, you'll need 1/4 of a red cabbage, 1/2 a cucumber, 1/4 cup of carrots, juice of a lime, a whole lime, and 3/4 of the Napa cabbage. Now the lower you get to the Napa cabbage, the tougher it'll get to eat, so that's why I don't use it. All you do is chop all that up and put it in a bowl. Make sure you wash the cabbage. the dressing, the ingredients you will need is half a tablespoon of garlic powder, a cup of almond butter, half a cup of maple syrup. I didn't have enough, so I just went with what I had. A tablespoon of salt and half a cup of water, and you just mix all that up. And then once you're all done, then you squeeze the lemon juice into the Napa cabbage and mix the dressing and put it on top and just toss all of it together. And that's it. That's what you'll get, my Chinese dinner. Now, here goes the taste test, so I hope it's good, because I haven't tried it with the teriyaki sauce, but I'm sure it's good. Oh, and what I'm drinking,
Mommy.
I'm drinking this tea.
What's the door?
Anybody else love tea? This is my favorite, with a little dash of honey, extra honey. It's so good. But I didn't know she liked my noodles, because the other day I made some and she wouldn't eat some. I'm really bad at this today. Look. This salad goes with almonds, guys. Like chopped up almonds. But I don't have any, so make sure you get some for your salad, because it tastes really good with almonds. Ingredients. Just say hi. Say, I like noodles. No, mommy. Oh. This is a really good place to hide the zucchini too, guys, and have them eat some vegetables. The kids. My husband's here. Maybe he'll try it and tell you how it tastes.
Nice.
Do you like this dish, babe? You want me to make it more often?
Yeah.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you share with your friends that like Chinese dinners and easy made food. I'm not a cook or anything like that, but this was an easy recipe, and that's why I want to share it with you. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.